Dear students, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. What we have to do today? First, we shall learn our oral question. Okay, this is our oral question. Name some living things. Okay, this is our oral question. See, name some living things. Name some living things. Answer is cat, boy, and plants. Okay. Do you know what are the living things? Living things are those things who grow and take food. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो नॉन लिविंग होंगी, जो सांस नहीं लेती होंगी, वो तो फूड भी नहीं खाएंगी, खाना भी नहीं खाएंगी और बड़ी भी नहीं होंगी. जो लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो खाना भी खाती हैं और बड़ी भी होती हैं. सेम लाइक दैट you can find lots of living things around yourself, like you are living, your parents are living, है ना. आप बड़े भी होते हैं, खाना भी खाते हैं. आपका एनिमल, अभी देखें ईद पर आपकी कौ आएगी, आपकी कौ भी लिविंग होगी क्योंकि वो खाना खाएगी ना. सो ऑल द थिंग्स जो बड़ी हो और खाना खाएं, दे ऑल आर द लिविंग थिंग्स. हियर we have some examples: cat, boy, and plants. Cat, boy, and plants. This work is your oral work. ठीक है, ये आपका जुबानी काम है जो आपने याद करना है. This is your today's page. All right. Okay. First, we will write the date and year. Then I will tell you that what sound is this. All right. Today the date is 22 July 2020. All right, the day is Wednesday. Okay, WEDNESDAY. Trace the small letter and color the picture. Okay, this is I. Okay, this is I and this is E. What sound is this? E sound. What sound is this? E. E sound. How to write? You have to write E sound between two lines because it's, yes, grass letter. You should start it from the arrow, go down, 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 down. When you reach at the second line, then a little flick and a dot. Okay, start it from there. Go down, 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 and a little flick and a dot. It's E. E. What sound is this? E sound. What sound is this? E sound. Now read the things with beginning sound E. E. Iguana. E. Iguana. What is this? Yes, yes, yes. Iguana. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Ink pot. E. Ink pot. E. Ink pot. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Iguana. E. Iguana. E. Iguana. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. You have to do this page today. Write down E. E sound. All right. Then iguana, insect, and ink pot. ठीक है? Iguana, insect, and ink pot. So what you have to do with these pictures? आपको नज़र आ रहा है ना, इन पिक्चर्स में तो कलरिंग ही नहीं है. इग्वाना तो ग्रीन होता है, इसके ऊपर कोई कलर नहीं है. इंसेक्ट, ये कौन सा इंसेक्ट है? ये रेड या फिर ब्लैक होता है, बट इसमें नो कलर. इंक पॉट, विच कलर इंक पॉट इज दिस? ब्लू, ब्लैक और रेड. दिस नो कलर. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू कलर ऑल थ्री थिंग्स. ओके, पर आपने कलर ऐसे करना है कि आपका बॉर्डर लाइन से कलर आउट ना हो. Alright, आपका border line से color out now. When will you do this page, then after finishing the work of this page, you will go to the next page. This is your next page. Igloo. Igloo. Okay, first you will write the date and day, then write down E and igloo. After that, trace these E sounds. Okay, trace E sound properly. See, like that. ठीक है? Like that. Alright. And like that. आपके जो पेंसिल है वो आपकी डॉट्स पे से थोड़ी सी भी नीचे ना आए, otherwise it will look too bad. Okay, after doing the dotted E, you will write this. ठीक है? Start it from there, go down, 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 down. When you reach here, a little flick and a dot on it. Okay, start it from there, down, 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 and a little flick and a dot on it. It's quite easy. You have to write all the E by yourself. E sound. What sound is this? E sound. E. Igloo. Igloo. This is your today's work. You want to revise all alphabets? Okay, let's revise. Keep watching what we are going to write. We are going to write alphabets. Now keep watching how we'll write alphabets. Okay, we'll revise alphabets. Is grass letter. You have to write it from here. Make and then go up and down and a little flick. Okay, after a bow. Straight go down, touch the third line, then again go up and make half semicircle. B, curvy k between two lines. Curvy k between two lines. B, k. Okay, da. You have to start it from there, not from there. Because I saw a few students who start the da sound first, they do like that and that. That's the wrong way. You have to start it from there. First make curvy k, then go up, again come on the same line and a little flick. This is da. You have to start from here, mid of the line. ठीक है, mid से start करना है. Touch the up line and this is sound a. ठीक है, a, b, k, d, a. You have to start it from there, turn and go down, down, down and take the third line. Now a line from there. This is sound. Okay, g. You have to start from here. First make a k sound like that, then go up and again come down, down, touch the third line and turn. Okay, a, b, k, d, a and g. Now okay, first write down straight, then again go up and turn and down and a flick. This is okay. Now this is a today's letter. E sound. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. Itching. E. Ink pot. E. Iguana. Okay, A sound. You have to write today E sound. This was all our previous work. This was the revision and this is our today's sound, E sound. Do the work now neat and clean. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my students. Bye bye.